Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare market movements between Deriv and TradingView so you can confirm your setups across both platforms in 2026. Let's get into it. First, understand the direct connection status. The first thing you need to know is that as of 2026, you cannot directly link your Deriv account into the TradingView trading panel for execution. Open both your Deriv Traders Hub and the TradingView.com website in separate browser tabs. On TradingView, click on the Supercharts to load your analysis workspace. While Deriv has integrated TradingView's charting engine into their own Deriv X platform, the main TradingView website does not currently support Deriv as a direct broker for placing trades. This means you will use TradingView for its superior technical analysis and community ideas, but you will switch back to Deriv to actually pull the trigger on your trades. Next, search for assets on TradingView. Once you have both screens ready, the goal is to find the exact same asset on both platforms to ensure your price levels match up. On the TradingView chart, click the symbol search bar in the top left corner. Type in the asset you are looking for, such as Euro USD or BTC USD. For synthetic indices, try typing volatility or derived to see if the feed is available. In 2026, many major pairs and even some synthetic data are indexed on TradingView. However, because some indices are proprietary to Deriv, they might not always appear under the same name. Finding the asset here first allows you to use TradingView's advanced indicators and Pine script strategies to find your entry point. Lastly, finding assets on Deriv as a backup. If you cannot find a specific synthetic index, like step indices or jump indices on TradingView, you must search for it directly within the Deriv ecosystem. Switch to your Deriv tab and use the asset selector in the top left of the chart. Type the name of the missing asset into the search bar. If you find it here but not on TradingView, you will have to do your manual charting directly on the Deriv platform. Deriv's synthetic indices are generated by an algorithm and are exclusive to their platform. In 2026, while TradingView is catching up with more data feeds, Deriv remains the source of truth for these specific markets. If a ticker doesn't show up on TradingView, it simply means the data hasn't been bridged yet, and you should rely on Deriv's built-in TradingView charts for that specific trade. And that's pretty much it. To trade effectively in 2026, remember that you cannot connect Deriv directly to the TradingView panel. Instead, you should open both charts, search for your asset on TradingView for analysis, and if it's missing, search on Deriv. By comparing both side by side, you can use TradingView's tools to find your setup and then switch to Deriv to place your trade with confidence. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.